Hi everyone, I'm today on Lamai Beach. I am actually at the Thai House Beach Resort, which is actually open. And the good thing right now, so they open the place, the resort, you can book a room. They are not SHA Plus yet, but the restaurant is open. And right now they are making a really cheap prices for food. Because of the COVID-19 situation, there is not much clients, so they prefer to sell cheap and have clients, and you can enjoy the pool. I'm gonna walk on Lamai Beach from the Thai house. We'll go have a look to the Jasmine next door, which is also open, and I will walk on my right. Yeah, so the Thai house is really ready to welcome guests. It's a bit windy today. The sea is much more quiet in the north part of the island. So even if the country is now open with new conditions from 1st of November, it's still quiet in Samui, but we really hope that it will be much better in the next few weeks. Right here, it's the Jasmine. They made for the last 2 weeks a new bar. Sorry guys, but my gimbal had no battery anymore, but I will continue the video. So I was saying that they made a new bar at the Jasmine. As you can see, it's a really nice one, and the Jasmine is open now, and is a SHA Plus hotel, so you can spend your first night if you are fully vaccinated in the Jasmine. Your first night there to wait the result of your PCR test. So my gimbal unfortunately has no battery left. I didn't check when I left home that the battery was full or not. So I will do this part of the video with no gimbal, guys, so maybe it will move a bit. I hope you will not mind. So as I was telling you, I am actually at the Thai House Beach Resort, which is open. Next door, the Jasmine is also open with this new bar, really nice bar. And here you have the Magic Resort with the Magic Restaurant, but they are actually closed. Lamai Coconut Resort seems to be open because they put the sunbeds. They made a lot of renovation. I think it was before the COVID-19, as they made the new restaurant here. But the restaurant doesn't seem to be open. Made a really nice place. then next door it is the Weekender Resort. Jet skis for rent are not here. So the Weekender is actually closed, but I got an email from them, and they will open the booking on 15 December onwards. So it means that on 15 December they plan to reopen the place. So right now it's still closed, but on 15 December, and I think a few weeks before, they will start to make the place to be ready to operate again. So it's a good news. Yeah, anyway, I didn't expect that it will be like pushing a reset button and everything will be normal in an instant, normal again. It will takes few weeks between the 1st of November and to make the island fully operating, it will take time, because many hotels are waiting now to see if there is a value to open again. I mean, to compare between the charges and the price to open the place again. And if they will have enough bookings. I'm sure with the new conditions in January, and I think it will start on Christmas, New Year, and especially for January, maybe more in February and March, we will have much more people who will arrive on the island. So the Coconut Beach Resort. So you have over there the Lamai Coconut Resort, and here it's the Coconut Beach Resort. They have really similar names, but they are two different places. And the Coconut Beach Resort never closed its doors, as the restaurant has been open since the start of the pandemic, and there are people here. And the Bamboo Next place too is open. Sorry guys if I'm moving. Like I told you, my gimbal has no battery. I came on Lamai especially to make this video, so yeah, so the Bamboo is open right now. And there are quite many people, not full of course, but like 10 people around. Still quiet, of course. And the Lamai Inn 99, which has been renovated too. I think right now they are closed, but I'm quite sure that they will open the bookings too real soon. Yeah, all this part of the Lamai Inn was not like that. As you can see, they made nice decoration with wood, a new bar here. This table was there. They didn't move the wood table, which is really nice. And so right here, I think now it will be a air conditioning restaurant. Yeah, for breakfast I think. And over there the kitchen. Yeah, the area is, it's really nice that they took this time to renovate the place a bit. You can have a drink or foods here, right in the front of the sea. It's really nice. Okay guys, it was all for this part of Lamai Beach. Over there you have the new hippie, the hippie bar right here, which is not really a new place, but a new owner with a new name, and they are open. And of course, further there you have the Baobab and Black Pearl restaurant, which are open right now. So as you can see, we are 8th of November. It's still quiet, but we expect to have more and more people in the next weeks, and especially for Christmas and New Year. Okay guys, so see you on the next video. Subscribe to the channel please if you didn't do it yet. Subscribe to the channel right now, sorry. And of course follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Bye.